So the next topic is curve sketching. And so let's get started with that. Okay, so now, happily, in this subject, there are more pictures, and it's a little bit more geometric, and there's relatively little computation. So let's hope we can do this. So I want to. So here we go. We'll start with curve sketching. And the goal here ooh, you know, so that's like liner the last time. That's kind of sketchy spelling, isn't it? Yeah, there's certain kinds of things which I can't spell, but all right. Sketching. All right, so here's our goal. Our goal is to draw the graph of f using f prime and f double prime, whether they're positive or negative. Okay? So that's it. This is the goal here. However, there is a big warning that I want to give you, and this is one that, unfortunately, I now have to make you unlearn, especially those of you who've actually had a little bit of calculus before. I want to make you unlearn some of your instincts that you developed. So this will be harder for those of you who've actually done this before. All right? But for the rest of you, it will be relatively easy, which is don't abandon your pre-calculus skills. And common sense. Okay? So there's a great deal of common sense in this, and it actually trumps some of the calculus. The calculus just fills in what you didn't quite know yet. So I will try to illustrate this, and because we're running a bit late, I won't get to some of the main punchlines until next lecture, but I want you to do it. So for now, I'm just going to tell you about the general principles, and in the process, I'm going to introduce the terminology, just the words that we need to use to describe what it is that we're doing. And there's also a certain amount of carelessness with that in many of the treatments that you'll see, and a lot of hastiness. So to just be a little patient, and we will do this. All right. So the first principle is the following: if f prime is positive, then f is increasing. That's a straightforward idea, and it's closely related to this tangent line approximation or the linear approximation that I just did. You can just imagine, here's the tangent line, here's the function, and if the tangent line is pointing up, then the function is also going up too. So that's all that's going on here. Similarly, if f prime is negative, then f is decreasing. And that's the basic